Ferb.
And they're usually over at Disney's Hollywood Studios, so they made a special appearance for the One More Disney Day.
And they are a little giddy last night. Look at this. Boy, oh boy.
They didn't do that with everybody.
Oh, they did.
They did not.
Everybody
They did not.
That is why the line was so long, because every person had this treatment.
No, that's
so
not
it was
true.
many hours of waiting for Phineas and Ferb. Actually,
And that's only if you're like 5 people. A total of 5 people can be in line for an hour now.
Now, which one is this now?
That's Ferb.
See, he's trying to outdo Phineas with his.
It took them a long time to get in the Disney park, so I'm glad they're here. Everybody is was so excited when they arrived to Disney's Hollywood Studios. And
oh boy, here we go. We got a little dancing going on now. What time was this?
This was about 3:30 because the people who are off to the side were waiting for the 4 a.m. meet and greet. They're just about to leave in a couple minutes.